Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Baron, the BIM Coordinator of MES Services Ltd, also the Young Engineering Surveyor Group Committee member. And my topic is about a new software called Advanced Steer. First, a short view introduce what is digital factory. This is just shop drawings, 3D modeling, Palm 3D, the real factory. Piling system. Okay, if we can say the digital factory is a human beings, in geometry, the steel structure plays the role of the skeleton. The piling system plays the role of vessels. But in digital world, it has its own manufacturing system. The brain is the information layer, who makes decisions based on the information collected by the sensors and transferred by the internal networks or cloud service. And below is also a video shows how digital system works. The users will give instructions on the cloud or on laptop. This message will send to the equipment. We can say it's a pen view of this digital factory. We click the camera, we can see the real-time status. Fortunately, Advanced Steer belongs to a large network of family in construction industry Autodesk. With the collaboration of these powerful family members, Advanced Steer could handle the whole design tasks, from the concept design to the detailed design to the fabrication and the manufacturing stage. We could generate 2D drawings into images, 3D views, VR, AR, and MR products with the help of Revit, Navisworks, 3D Max, Fielder, and so on. For the detailed information, please refer to this morning course, wonderful introduction. And here are 3 powerful and friendly partners who will make the previous video become the real components, the real factory. The Revit, Advanced Steer, and Plan 3D. For the last field's release of Advanced Steer and Revit, it has been possible that we can transfer the steer network models and steer connections from both packages. This functionality greatly enhances the workflows between structural consultants and the manufacturing fabricators that are using advanced steel for manufacturing and deliverables of steelworks to site. It is equally useful for structural consultants that would like to convert typical connections into 3D to architects, which would potentially cause clash detective. You can say the Revit structural connections are based on the same macros as advanced steel and are completely transferred, both in input or export operations. Here we can see it's the same model in advanced steel. And additional cold rolled and secondary steels can then be added to the advanced steel, as well as added wicks made to the existing connections, notice and cuts from the Revit. These changes can also be real-time feedback into the Revit model if required. And we can say that export back into Revit is very easy to track these design changes and understand items that have been added, that have been modified, and or be deleted. Here is the updated model in Revit, and it's I think it's a very interesting workflow for consultants and fabricators who are willing to share models. And for Plant 3D, a short view.
In today's plant design environment, engineers and designers need to work closely together to plan, design, optimize, construct, and manage today's complex process plant. The Autodesk AEC collection has all the tools you need to design, engineer, and construct plant projects efficiently. Starting with process design, the AutoCAD P&ID software allows you to create intelligent piping and instrumentation diagrams quickly and easily. Reports are created automatically, and information stored in the P&ID is connected to the 3D model for quick validation between the process design and the 3D plant design. AutoCAD Plant 3D.
We can see Plant 3D is very powerful, but it's struck still. It has no connections.
Structural designers and mechanical engineers work together to design
which should be added and updated in the advanced steel.
Design of pipe layout. Structural designers access built-in libraries of steel sections to perform accurate structural design. The modeling tools in Plant 3D allow teams of piping designers to quickly lay out equipment, route pipes, and ensure connectivity. Bills of materials can be produced directly from the model at any time using Plant Report Creator. For designers performing retrofit design on existing plant facilities, Recap 360 allows engineers to bring point clouds into the Plant 3D model, allowing fast and accurate remodeling of plant facilities. For the design and layout of ductwork and cable trays, AutoCAD MEP integrates directly with the Plant 3D model.
Okay, we can create the concept steel inside the Plant 3D and to obtain the top of the steel and the general locations. And we export using SDNF data and import into advanced steel via SDNF. So we can add, create, and modify, do as you wish with the new model, and then save the objects. Add to the connection details. Back to Plant 3D, remove the previous Plant 3D steel model and replace it with the new advanced steel model. When adopting this workflow, we can get both piling, detailed, and structural detailing in one model. In the net period, we can also generate the shop joints, the bills of materials based on the combined model, especially the CNC formatted that could be used for the fabrication and manufacturing. Now we can see advanced steel is much user-friendly because according to the users' feedback, for a structural engineer with maybe 2 or 3 years experience, for him, only commonly it only takes about 1 month for a structural engineer who can handle all of this structure design in advanced tier. And it can also combine with dynamic, and it can be also import and export by Revit model. Here is a model show in Malaysia. And for the time reason, I prepared this presentation for you. And any questions about the advanced tier or Plant 3D, about the collaboration between them? Okay, thank you.